Hi there, and welcome to Check Your FAFSA Verification Status Part 2. Once you're selected for verification, your college will let you know which documents to submit. Here are some of the most common ones. W-2s or 1099s. These show income earned from work. Tax return transcripts. These are official summaries of your or your parents' tax returns from the IRS. Verification of non-filing letter. This confirms that you or your parents didn't file a tax return. And lastly, school-specific forms. Some colleges may have their own worksheets or financial aid forms. Pro tip, keep both digital and printed copies of every document. Some schools may ask for them more than once. Using the IRS Direct Data Exchange. If you're eligible, the IRS Direct Data Exchange is the easiest way to share your tax info. It automatically pulls data from the IRS right into your FAFSA. This method is fast, accurate, and often eliminates the need for extra tax forms. Here's how to use it. Log into your FAFSA form, follow the prompts to connect with the IRS, and authorize the secure transfer. If you're eligible, definitely use this tool. It speeds everything up and reduces your chances of being selected for verification. Can't use the data tool? No problem. If you can't use the IRS transfer or your school still asks for documents, you'll need to request them manually. For the tax return transcripts, go to the IRS website, select Get Transcript by Mail, and choose Return Transcript. For verification of non-filing letter, submit IRS Form 4506T and check box 7. This shows you didn't file taxes. These documents can take 10 or more days to arrive, so don't wait. Important, make sure the address you enter matches exactly with what was used on the original tax return, or your request could be deleted. Thanks for watching this video on checking your FAFSA verification. Read the newsletter for more information and resources.